Hi, I'm Debbie Harris. I've been talking to you a lot lately about turning LinkedIn connections into clients. And I am the CEO and founder of PIMedia. We've been around since 2010, helping business owners just like you really make connections on LinkedIn and have clients and referral partners. Today, I just want to talk a little bit about persistence. I don't know if you've noticed, and if you've been following our videos, which naturally I'm sure you have, people are in kind of a weird state right now. They're not really sure what's coming next, particularly here in the United States where we're dealing with COVID and some other things. They're not really sure what's happening next. And sometimes when we reach out to people because we're marketing for our business and we don't get that immediate gratification that we want, we tend to get frustrated and we tend to give up. So I'm here today to tell you, don't give up. Persistence is key. Keep reaching out to those people. Go over my past videos on YouTube on PIMedia.me. Watch them over again. Keep doing the things that I've been mentioning. You are going to gain clients. You'll start to notice that you have more connections that are real prospects, real referral partners. Remember, we talked about reaching out and connecting with those referral partners. But again, I want to stress that today. I want to stress that now through the end of the year, don't throw your hands up. Don't say, oh, it's holiday time. Oh, it's the election. Oh, in fact, Mercury is in retrograde again as of yesterday. No, keep doing it. Set aside a time on your calendar where each day you know you're going to devote 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And keep doing all the things we've been talking about, reaching out, responding, engaging. And if you need to go back and review, remember to go to the YouTube channel, PIMedia.me. And of course, you can always reach out to me. I've been helping clients since 2010, and I want you to succeed, and you will. My contact information will be with this video.